cut it. Nah.
I'm about to get you together.
Yeah, COVID. It don't even feel like it though, to be honest.
You hear about Australia?
Nah, what happened?
They shut down yesterday. Shut down the whole country. Today is day 2.
I wear my mask anywhere, and it's a crazy part. Like when I went to the mall, it was like a whole
nobody.
Yeah, like nobody ain't really had their mask on.
Yeah.
I don't know. I be too cautious. Like nobody be see me.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's just a habit. Like even like the places where you don't need a mask. Like I still be like, I need a mask.
Yeah.
Like it just feels so weird getting out the car without a mask on my face.
Like I be
Other thing too. Like I don't stop at no gas station in Detroit.
Yeah.
Especially at nighttime. Like,
no point.
Yeah.
I just wait till I get to the crib.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm glad our job don't make us get the shot.
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah. And we off tomorrow, but they posted a schedule saying like if you want to work some extra hours, you can come in tonight.